Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the parent chain ring. The compound contains a cyclohexane ring, so the parent name is cyclohexane. Moving on to the next step. Identify all functional groups on the ring. At 1 carbon, a carboxylic acid group, CO2H, also written as CO. Adjacent carbon, next position a ketone, C is equal to O, as part of the ring, making it an OXO substituent. 2 carbons away, para-like position an aldehyde group, ChO, called formyl as a substituent. Moving on to the next step. Apply IUPAC priority rules for numbering. The principal characteristic group, highest priority suffix group, is the carboxylic acid -CO, which gets the lowest possible locant. Assign C1 to the carbon bearing CO. And for the final step, number the ring to give the next substituents the lowest locants. Going around the ring from C1, CO2 bears the OXO, is equal to O group, ketone, and C4 bears the formyl, ChO group. Assemble the name. Parent cyclohexane. Principal group as suffix, carboxylic acid cyclohexane, 1 carboxylic acid. Ketone as prefix, 2 OXO. Aldehyde as prefix, 4 formyl. Full name, 4 formyl, 2 oxocyclohexane, 1 carboxylic acid. Verify locants. C1 is equal to CO, C2 is equal to OXO, is equal to O, C4 is equal to formyl, ChO. The set 1, 2, 4 is the lowest possible, confirming the numbering is correct. Therefore, the correct answer is 4 formyl 2 oxocyclohexane 1 carboxylic acid. The correct answer is shown on screen.